Today, we will create this. So let's start. We will create dark CC effects in a light motion application. If you are new and still not subscribed my channel, please first subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new updates. Today, we will learn how to create dark CC effects like After Effects in a light motion application. I also provide ready-made file for this tutorial so you can use in your Reels, Shorts, or TikTok videos. And also you can learn from here. I hope I am good to guide you and my tutorials helps you so much. My tutorials will help beginners a lot. They can learn from my videos and make their own videos. In the description, there have other useful video link you can visit there too. For my new and old viewers, I will find more trending contents. And yeah, if you have any content, please comment me. I will sure make a videos on that. But for that you have to subscribe my channel. I am trying my best for my viewers. They always want trending contents and want to learn more. And I will sure do my best for them. You know that your one support is my big motivation. So friends, watch the video till the end. If you think video is really good, then give your one like and comment. It takes whole day to make this short video and I am expecting nothing much from you. Only one like and your support. And I am sure you all are with me and will help me to show my creativity. Finally, our video is its ending, and I am thankful to you all from my heart to watch this video till the end. And if you still not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Hurry up and press red button, and after that press bell icon. You want my new update, right? So friends, see you soon on next video. Bye. Take care and be happy.
इश्क